This is OSOYOO Ultrasonic Levitation DIY Kit. It will help you to practice soldering skills, to become familiar with variety of electronic components, and have some great fun time while assembling the gadget. Now let's unbox the package and see what is included in the kit. We got the ultrasonic modules, foam balls, the electronic components, integrated chips, metal screws, the printed circuit boards, one mini screwdriver, and the instruction manual that contain very well explained steps how to assemble the kit, what is included in the box, and schematic diagram of this levitation kit. So these are all parts that need to be assembled. Before I start to build this kit, in the description below I will put a link of this ultrasonic levitation DIY kit. Also, you can check the OSOYOO online store. They have a lot of interesting and different DIY kits, including robots, Arduino kits, programming learning projects, smart home control kit, and so on. Okay, let's continue with the project now. On this PCB, first I need to solder all electronic components, and as I said, in the manual is everything explained in simple steps. I need to mention, when ultrasonic transducer is placed on the PCB, need to pay attention on polarity. In instruction manual is marked with positive and negative pole. I'm finished with soldering all electronic components on PCB board. Next step is assembling the copper pillars with screws on PCB board. I am done now using this USB cable that boosts the voltage from 5 to 12 volts because this kit works on 12 volt DC voltage. Plug in and yes, the red LED turned on, meaning everything is okay and working fine. Now take the foam balls that are included in the kit and start playing with this gadget. Look, that small foam ball is levitating in the air. Wow, this is amazing! How this is working, and let me explain. Acoustic levitation is a method for suspending matter in the air against gravity using acoustic radiation pressure from high intensity sound waves generated by the ultrasonic modules. I really like this gadget and playing with ultrasonic levitation is cool. More info about this kit you can find in description below. That was all for today's video project. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.